Hello all traders, today is Friday, 21st of February 2025 and we're going to look at the trade that we have taken on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500 futures and CFDs. If we look at the 1 hour macro chart, we see that the price was fluctuating around the previous day close on all E-minis during the Asian and London session and it started to go up pre-market, and after the news release started to go down. And if we look at the 1 hour macro chart, we see that the price after New York market opening started to go down and past the previous day close and continuously went down and passed also the previous day low and was highly volatile and lost about 2% on Nasdaq. With this high volatility, our plan of action was to wait for the price to reach some support level and have low volatility, and when the buyers come back at the support level, we take long position with setup B, C, and T in a well-established uptrend. So that's what happened, and when I came back around 3:30 p.m., the price was fluctuating at this support level, and on the 1 minute trading chart, it seems that the buyers are coming back. So I took several long positions on Nasdaq with setup C and B, and also long positions on the Dow Jones, which was more trendy with setup T, and on S&P 500 also with setup T. And since the volatility was high and we were getting close to the end of market and we reached the daily target, we finished trading on this account for the day, and all these signals were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts, and you see performance on this account that shows it was positive with profit factor of 57, which is coming from 81% win rate, all from 11 long positions taken, and the average win to loss ratio of 12. The largest winning trade was 430, and the largest losing trade was $19. So that was the summary of the trades I have taken on some of the futures prop firm accounts. And on the small 5K CFD prop firm account, these are the list of trades that I have taken today. 6 long positions were taken on Nasdaq and S&P 500 when the price was testing the previous day low here with setup B and C, as you see here, and also here, which was setup B again, and you see the profit and loss here. All were closed with profit except one with a small loss. So with these trades today, our total balance is now $88.63 with the profit factor which reached 3.65. And the detailed stats shows that from the 174 trades taken so far, we had 145 winners, which resulted in 83.33% win rate. So this shows the equity curve that is growing consistently and increased also today. This graph shows percentage of drawdown that, as I mentioned earlier, we kept it below 0.5%, which is 10 times less than the daily loss limit imposed by the prop firm for the second stage of the challenge. So we have a large safety net, and if the market become trendy and less volatile, we increase the lot size here and we become more aggressive. And if we see volatility is high and market is non-trendy, we lower the lot size and we reduce the risk, as it happened in the past few weeks. We are not rushed to reach the profit target of $200, which is 4% of the 5K account, because this account is unlimited, and unlike future accounts, we don't need to pay monthly subscription fee. So without any performance pressure, we can consistently, based on the volatility and the trendiness, we adjust the risk and lot size and pass the second stage of the challenge and get funded on this CFD prop firm account. So hope this trade taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping on the futures prop firm accounts and also the small CFD prop firm account is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day and also weekend.